Hey guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand Hydracy for sending over their Electrolyte drink mix. First of all, I want to show you how it comes in the package. You have these drink sticks. Now, you can drink these two ways. What I often do is put them in a bottle of water. You can also put them right in a glass of water, whichever works best for you. I find it super handy just to open the lid and pour these right in a bottle of water and shake it up. But when I'm home, I generally will put it in a glass. Now, Hydracy drink mix has 0 sugar and 0 carbs. I think that's something important that you're going to want to know. So let's pour this in. You can see the powder going right in. Again, this is their lemon flavor. Put on my cap, and then I'm going to give it a little shake, shake, shake. And just like that, it's all mixed up and ready to go. And then drink up. I will tell you, it has a very refreshing lemon flavor. One of the reasons why I like these type of flavor pouches is I have the hardest time drinking water. I'm not a big water fan, but something that tastes this good, I'm definitely one to reach for this again and again. I love that it has the added electrolytes in it. Again, the brand is Hydracy. There are 10 pouches in a pack. The one the brand sent me is the lemon bar flavor. 6 essential daily electrolytes inside. These are very tasty, and I'm going to say a really good find.